Hey everybody, this is Wolfpack. So how you guys doing out there? I hope you're enjoying the sun, the beautiful weather, and having a great time out there. We went fishing. I got a fishing story for you guys. Okay? I seen a few frogs, so Floyd decided this is one of the frogs that I caught. I decided to come in the picture. Okay? But we have the cutest one.
You gotta put him 2 steps up so I can see him in the picture.
Oh.
Or 1.
1?
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, he just hops along. Yeah. He's a frog. Just hops along. So, anyways, back to my story. We went to a lake, me and P. Sandy. So, you know what? It's always good when you go fishing to have safety gear on. Okay? Put the comments down below if you agree or disagree.
I'll be right back. I just gotta go check something in the kitchen. What the heck? Is there still water in the pot? Looks like it. Okay, that's okay. Thanks.
Oh, okay. No problem. You're awesome, P. Sandy. Love you. Give a thumbs up to P. Sandy for doing that, because that was cute. I don't know what she did, but that's awesome. So anyways, back to my story, because she knows that I'm going to be teasing P. Sandy today. And she's blushing. She's red like a tomato right now. So anyways, we were fishing. And she's feeding all the little bass. Like, literally. Feeding all the bass. So she's got a little hook there. So the little fish can pull the freaking worm right off of it. No problem. So she goes there and she's feeding the bass in this lake. The cutest thing I've ever freaking seen. And not only her being that beautiful and doing stuff like that, that I loved, was we seen this couple. They were carrying trees to go plant in, I guess maybe one of their camps or something. And we weren't able to record it, but it was really cool. And we told them that Anne-Marie was, she was fishing, but just feeding the fish so they can get bigger. So sooner or later they're going to get bigger for you guys. The guy gives me a thumbs up in real life. Real life, can you imagine that? Getting a thumbs up in real life. Can people imagine that? Not that little blue thing, that's the one that's probably no circulation in there, it's probably poor circulation. It should be at least red, where it's at least pumping like a heart or something. Give it a good thumbs up. Well, you have to do that to this video. So Anne-Marie went back to feeding her fish. So she's got this all under control. So she goes in, I'm going to take a big test. She goes in there, grabs this hat, literally, this hat, pulls it directly off her head, swings down into the lake. The problem with that is there's like a big drum on there. It's kind of heavy, so it started sinking.
Let's see the drum.
It's kind of loose now after you pull it off your head.
Okay. I pretty much got it.
The hook got caught somewhere back there. So she had to use her line and everything to grab this thing back in there. You should have seen the tangle mess. I had to actually allow her to use a knife. I said, I'm not untangling that. So I handed her my knife and she started untangling. I said, that's what fishing's all about. But you should have seen her fish for this hat, because it's lucky. It was the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. She dragged that through the rocks. No, that hat's not getting away from me. I don't care what I lose. You can take a hook from me, but you're not taking that hat. So anyways, Peace Annie loves you. She just called me an asshole for saying this story because she's kind of embarrassed about hooking the back of her hat doing that into the water.
It just came undone. It's okay. It's
safe.
backable.
Anyways,
You can put it back on. It's fine.
that was our story for our camping trip. Uncle Joe, you'll understand what I'm talking about. See ya. Hey, do you love Uncle Joe?
Yeah.
Uncle Joe's awesome.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. See ya.
Bye.
Woohoo! Love ya. Love this channel. Put the comments. Subscribe. Do something cool. Live life.